Yep, in today's video, we're looking inside of this box. Welcome to Toby's Rear Skills with Toby. That's me. Oh yeah, my friends, that's what you're looking at. Vehicle pre-pressurized camping shower. That's the one. When you're wondering where should the installation happen, right up there. That's the roof, that's the top. So you see here the garage is not a lot of space in between. But it's not supposed to be parked with it all the time. So I would take it off, but I have to find this roof rack which might either be stay on all the time or something to easy take off. So I guess quite interesting. This unit comes with coiled hose. Looks like a normal regular garden hose what they sell, 25 feet. Including adjustable spray head. That's correct, it looks like. And then we do have some insulation hardware, which I will get to when we do install it. So the entire housing is welded aluminum construction, I was told. And that's one end. That's where you can see the logo, the name is. And here you see the welding. I'm not a welder, so it's hard for me to judge is it good, is it not good. It's a little dirty as much as I can tell, or it's dusty maybe. There was not a lot of cushion on this side, on both sides actually. So it might have get just a little pushed on here. I can see it here actually. Scratches, which, you know, not a big deal as long as it's not too deep and it's not deforming, whatever. It's whatever. It's up here, down here, down here. I can feel it as well. So yeah, there are some. What you can also see maybe from here a little bit, it does have the rails, those ones, and that's where it gets connected to the roof rack. This is the other side, and as you can see on the other side, there is a nut or something screwed in. And here will be where the garden hose or the shower hose or whatever will be connected. This side is less scratched, less scuffed, so that's fine, but you can see it's fine as well. What I want to figure out now is how to pressurize it. As much as I read, there are different ways to do that. A manual pump or maybe an electric pump. There are different ways to do that. So yeah, there are different ways to pressurize it and I want to try different ones. So that's what I will do now. I will do more research on the roof rack. I will do more research on pump, electric pump, manual pump, whatever I have. You know, stuff you might have in a car or maybe not. And then on this side is supposed to be a thermostat. We'll also get there when it's mounted and do more in-depth review of this whole thing. The dimensions I'm putting in here, so you can see it. So there are a couple of things I need to figure out now with this unit, now having it. Besides, it fits a truck bed. This is also for cheap gels, and the only thing what I need to consider at the moment, actually a couple. First off, I need a roof rack to mount it to the cheap gel on the hardtop. So that's something where you might be helpful, and I hope you can support me on that. What's the best roof rack out there which you would recommend to install such a unit? And think about it. The unit now is empty, and it can fit up to 8 gallons of water in it, so it's something to consider. But also, while driving, it should be very secure up there. So maybe you have some ideas? Leave them in the comment section below. That would be great and helpful. So the product was sent to me, and thank you very much for sending it over. I'm really curious since the camping season just is about to start. I'm really excited about it, actually, to test it. Until then, I need to find a roof rack. Otherwise, we do a test in the garage. And I put it in the trunk and take it somewhere. Let's get to work with this and let's put it on the cheap pretty soon. Until then, thanks for watching. See you next time. Cheers!